Kouri Richins, day one. Who is up next? It is Kouri Richins Benson. She is the sister of Eric Richins. She testified for a lot of things. She does not like Kouri, I can tell you that. She said on the stand a whole bunch of things, and then we saw the dash cam or the body cam worn videos, and it said something different, but it's all right. She had sold Eric the house. So she had previously lived in the house and sold it to Kouri and Eric. Didn't know that. She talked about the Apple Watch that was Eric's, that Kouri took it and deleted everything off of it and gave it to the son. Thought that was kind of interesting. She said that after Eric died, Kouri had laid out a plan. She was going to sell the house. She was going to make this gentleman TJ be part of co-owner of his excavating business, and with Kouri Wright. Kouri was the other owner. It's a landscaping business, and that she had already bought the mansion, and that she was shocked that she was going to go ahead and close on it, given that Eric had just passed, and that she wanted Eric to be cremated, which is not in the family plan. And so then a couple of days after Eric had passed, the family had gotten together and made a plan as to who was going to be what, where, who, and when, why. But when we watched the body cam footage, she says immediately, take him to XYZ funeral home well before they had a plan. She did say in the beginning that she was the executor of his will when she entered the house as well. So the prosecution pulled a 180 on the defense. They talked about the will and the trust, but they really didn't get into it. So the defense, when it was their turn, couldn't talk about anything with the trust. They could not get into the meat and potatoes of the trust because the defense didn't bring it up. The defense said, hey, we're going to have to recall her. And the judge is like, I guess so. So we'll see what happens to that. Now, I had some technical difficulties, so I didn't get to go through all of everything. I have to go back and redo dad and sister. So that video will be posted later tomorrow on YouTube. Make sure to like and follow to hear more about what each witness has to say and how this is going to affect the Kouri Richins case.